Hey friends, so I just finished doing Hey friends. So I just finished doing a load of dishes, something I was desperately trying to put off all day, even though I emptied the dishwasher and had it ready to go literally while I made coffee this morning, and it is now we are finishing dinner. So I put it off all day because I'm just level 0 to 10 of exhausted. I'm level 10. So yesterday I had started the Clean Mama system over again, which is, 5 things. And all day I just told myself, just get the 5 things done. That's all you have to do. And I'm just tired and I wasn't gonna do the dishes. So after reading a lot of comments on my FlyLady versus Clean Mama video, so many people told me you need to check out the Secret Slob's explanation of FlyLady. So on a whim, I was like, you know what, I'll just check it out tonight. I'm starting Clean Mama again. I'm gonna do her 1 month calendar, and then maybe I'll try FlyLady again. Watching it, and as I'm watching it, I'm standing by my dishes, and it's the first step of Clean Mama is to shine your sink. Now, Secret Slob said, so if you have dishes in there, just move them all to the counter. And I was like, I am not going to move a bunch of dirty dishes to my counter when I have an empty dishwasher. So as I watched the video, I emptied the sink as much as I could and put everything in the dishwasher. And of course, because I didn't do dishes all day, there is more than that is going to fit in the dishwasher. But considering it is day 1 of the BabySteps that I was watching, shine your sink is the only thing you have to do. And I was like, all right, I could do the 5 things on Clean Mama, or I could just do this one thing right now when my level of tired is a 10. So that's what I'm doing. So I just finished loading the dishwasher. I got this, did I put soap in here? I did. So I'm gonna get it started and I'm gonna shine my sink. Now I have a 3-part sink, so I'm going to do it in 2 halves, but I'm going to shine the sink. And she said it gets easier each time, but I'm even supposed to work on like the calcium and the lime and stuff on the faucet. So we'll see how far I get tonight. Right now I just want to get it quickly shined up. Something that really annoyed me when I first try to do FlyLady was just like this emphasis on shine your sink, shine your sink. But alas, I'm exhausted and I just need something. So here I go. I'm giving it another try. So this is the FlyLady round 2. Day 1, round 2. So this is the side I got cleaned up. I have so many dishes that I had dishes on the side of the sink too. Feeling a little motivated, I did grab my hydrogen peroxide because this is driving me crazy. Just that yellow staining, it gets caught. It's just like dried on water and soap scum. My amateur camera skills, but you can see how it's bubbling. You get a better light source there. So I'm just gonna let that sit and let the hydrogen peroxide do its work while I keep shining my sink. that big club there. But I mean, for the most part, it does look much better. So maybe tomorrow I'll work on that again. All right, so I shined my sink. Of course, it's full of dishes again. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, based on the recommendations I'd get, in fact, 2 people today said, give it another try. Give FlyLady one more try. So Secret Slob, I listened to what she had to say. That's where you start. She said, if you have a bunch of, but she added, if you have a ton of dishes in the sink, just move them to the counter and shine your sink. And I couldn't do that. So I did a load. You didn't watch me do that. I just did the load because I'm tired and I wasn't gonna film anything tonight because even this, I have showered today. I worked out, which ended with me laying on the ground. And what is the lay down yoga pose where you're just laying there? Shavasana, I think. Shavasana. I was exhausted. I just laid there. Anyway, I did yoga. I did 30 minutes of yoga where I laid on my back for 30 minutes. Anyway, I will say if building habits with FlyLady is shining your sink, it's not so bad. I did it. I didn't want to, but I did it. And it feels good, but I'm tired. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of the day.